What is up, everyone? This is Motorola here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the ChatGPT error request is not allowed. So let's get right into this. So if you get this specific error, there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing I would always recommend you to do is just straight up close out of ChatGPT, whichever browser you have it on, and then just turn it back on and see if that works. The next thing to do is pretty much just utilize incognito if you're doing it within a browser itself. If you are not doing it in a browser, you can actually download ChatGPT on your computer itself. You go to the Microsoft Store, search for ChatGPT, and literally just download and install it here. And a lot of times once you do something like that, it makes a lot of these errors go away. So just like having it on your desktop directly makes these errors basically go away. The last thing you can do if this doesn't work, it's possible that it's a network issue. So go to your search bar and type in network connection until you see this pop up. In here, you want to then right click into either Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whatever you're connected into, and then go to properties. Click into Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and go to properties. In here, change it from automatic into use the following DNS server addresses and change it to 1.1.1.1 and alternate to 1.0.0.1. Press OK, restart your computer, try again, and you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please subscribe to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. On that, Motorola's out. Peace.